All right, we're going to work on this value practice sheet. Write your first and last name up here like we always do on our papers, your room number, and your grade level. Next, what we're trying to do is we are going to be shading these rectangles in similar to this example value scale. This will give us practice with shading. So you're going to want to go as dark as your pencil can get on this first rectangle and getting lighter as we move to the next one. And we're pushing with less pressure. That's how we get lighter than the previous one. If you like going light to dark, that's fine as well, but we're getting that whole value scale done. Once you feel like you have finished that value scale, you can go on to the sphere. So we're going to color that to make it look like a 3D sphere versus a flat circle. So you can use this to kind of copy those values, and you can see the light is hitting the sphere here, which then casts a shadow on the opposite side on that table. So I have shaded the sphere and I've started the table. For shadows, you don't want a dark edge, so just kind of get that general shape and then start shading. It should be the darkest right by the sphere, and then it should get slightly lighter, but still going to be a shadow darkness as it goes away from that sphere. So that's one way to help it look more grounded to whatever it is sitting on. And then I might darken some of this. So again, you can use this to help you to practice those shading and applying it to this shape here. And then I can do the wall. Now it's up to you, your technique, but I like to start light and get darker instead of going straight as dark as I can, because it's much harder to erase all of that darkness if you made it too dark. So I always like to start lighter and then build up to the darker areas as I keep working. So you decide on that technique. So once you feel like you have finished your sphere and you've got all these values should be showing up somewhere in this picture. So you have the super, super, super dark, which mine are like in here, here, and here. And then you have the mediums and then the very lights. So you want all those values to show up. That really gives it form instead of it being a flat circle. And then lastly, I'm not going to demonstrate this one, but I want you to apply your knowledge of doing these two experiences and put it on the cone and make that 3D. So you can copy that one again. You can see the light is coming from over here. And then we'll turn those in.